Hi, in this video we are going to use specific use of for traversing the elements of a dictionary. In this case, we have a dictionary with these three keys, name, age, and weight, and we can use this for in order to take each of the items of the dictionary. By using the method items, we will retrieve all the pairs key value. So we can store this into variables and print these values. So the output of this execution will be this. First of all, it takes the first element with a key name and value David Doe. So this will be print. Then the for iterates to the next element, age and 26. That will be print here. And then the for goes to the next element, weight and 82, that prints this one. In addition, we can use the keys method if we want to only consider the keys. So we can use this statement in order to traverse each of the keys of the dictionary. In this case, person keys returns a list of the keys, so we can use the for in this way. In this case, the first key is name, that will be print, then age, that will be print, and finally weight, that will be print. And of course, apart from items and keys, we can use the method values in order to traverse any of the values of the dictionary. In this case, this will be the result of this. So by using this operation of items, keys, and values, we can go to each of the elements of the dictionary. So by using the for loop, there is a lot of flexibility to apply them to different situations. Thanks for watching.